Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to teach you the basics of technical analysis 101. We're going to focus on the market structure. So if you can understand the market structure, then we believe that you're going to be able to trade the market easily and you're going to make more profits. So first of all, we're going to speak about trends. So we're going to speak about trends, which is actually the most basic and fundamental in market structure. So we speak about trends. We're going to start to speak about the downtrends and the uptrends. I believe that you've actually heard more about the trends. So today we're going to focus on the uptrend. So to show you how the market structure actually moves. So the market does not move in a straight line just like that. Let me show you. The market doesn't move in a straight line just like that. So the market moves in a series of higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. It moves in such a structure. So I'm actually gonna help you to study this one. So this one was an uptrend. So that's how the uptrend actually looks like. So I'm gonna draw gently for you so that you can see how this thing works. So this is what we have. So we have a low right here, low. We have a high. We have a higher low. We have a higher high. We have a higher low. We have a higher low, a high, sorry. We have a higher low. We have a higher low right there, higher high right there. So this is a kind of market that we have. So right here we can just write. Let's use text. So we have a high. That's our first high right there. That's our first high right there. Then we also have a higher low. So when the market is actually pushing the upside, it creates a series of higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, just like that. Then we have a low here, right here. That's our lowest point in the market. So I'll try to move it right here. So we have a low, a high, a higher low. Then right here, we have a higher high. So we have a higher high right there. I'll try to move it. Let me try to move that kind of a higher high. So we have a higher high right there. Then we have another higher low structure right there. I hope you get what I'm saying. So we get our other higher high right here. This is series of higher highs and higher lows. We get our higher lows right here. So that's how it is. Let me adjust them. So this is our higher high. This is our higher low. This is another higher high right there. So actually gonna show you. So that's our higher high. Then we have a higher low right here again, a higher low. That's a higher low right here. Then we have a higher high right here. So yeah, in this video, I want to show you that when the market is actually going to the upside or when the market is bullish, the market does not go straight like I showed you with the vanishing pen. The market does not move like that, but it moves in series of higher highs and higher lows. So that's what we have. So it moves in series of higher highs and higher lows. So when the market starts here, this was a low. So it pushed to the upside to give us a high. Then it has to push again to give us a point called the higher low. Then the market has to push again, gives us a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high. So whatever that I'm showing you right here is what they call the uptrend, uptrend. So what I'm showing you right here is uptrend. So this is the uptrend. This is the uptrend. So when we speak about a market that is trending to the upside, that's what we're actually showing you. So this is a market that is actually trending to the upside. So when you want to understand the market, you'll have to understand the basics, which is the trend. So this is the uptrend for you. So all you need to understand is that when the market is going to the upside, it goes in series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So this is a market that is going to the upside. So if you can understand the high series of higher highs and higher lows, you can actually understand what the market is actually doing when it's going to the upside. So I think like I'm gonna show you how to trade them on another video, but let me also quickly actually show you uh, how the downtrend actually forms, or how the downtrend actually works. So I'll clear everything right here. Let me try to clear everything right here. Pick a eraser like that, just like that. So we're actually gonna look at downtrend. So let me just write there a downtrend. So we have a downtrend. So we're going to show you the market that is actually on a downtrend. So when the market is on a downtrend, again, I'm going to show you with the vanishing pen. Market does not go straight like that, as you all suppose, but the market moves with series of lower lows, higher lows, 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 lower lows, higher lows. So just like that. So I'm actually going to draw for you so that you know how to label them. So we have right there a high, we have a lower low right here, we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Gonna end here at the lower low. So let me label them. So I'm gonna start right here. We have a high. Let me change the color. Maybe let's make it pink or maybe yellow. It's kind of better. So we have a high right there. We have a lower low. We have a lower high. Lower low. A lower high right here. A lower low. Then we have a lower high. Let me actually adjust these ones that I've actually already drawn. So that's a lower low, that's a lower high, that's a lower low, that's a lower low, that's a lower high right here, and that's a lower low. So let me draw again. So we have a lower low again, then we have a lower high right here, a lower high right here, then we have another lower high right here, and then we have a lower low, then we have right here we have a lower low. Just like, let me adjust them so like I don't actually mix them. So that's our lower low, that's our lower low right here, that's our lower high, that's our lower low, and that's our lower high. Again, this is our lower low. So that's our lower low. So guys, these are the basics of the market structure. So when the market is actually moving, the market moves in series of higher highs and higher lows. So when we are on a downtrend, it's a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Let me show you. So these are the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So whenever you see the market that is trending to the downside, all that you need to identify, these are the lower lows and the lower highs, the lower lows and the lower highs. So this is actually the market structure. The market is actually structured in this way. So in the next video, I'm going to actually teach you the tools that you need to use to identify our lower highs and our lower lows. Because in the market, I'm also going to tell you what is it that we're actually trading when we're trading in the market. So this kind of knowledge that we're providing you guys for free is a knowledge that you can use whether in a forex market, index market, or indices, the stock market, or any kind of market, crypto, any kind of a thing that you want to trade or you want to invest. So this actually applies both on investors and traders. So that's how the market actually is structured. So I'm actually going to show you what we trade and how to trade them. But I'm going to leave you with this term: we buy lows and sell highs. We buy lows and sell high. So in the next video, I will teach you the structures and the tools that we use to identify the lower highs and the lower lows, or the higher highs and dialogues. For now, guys, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can continue to teach you and educate you about the financial markets. Was a pleasure to present this class to you guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.